Meaning of giblets.
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 Giblets. Giblets refer to the edible internal organs of poultry, such as the liver, heart, gizzard, and neck. These organs are usually removed from the bird and sold separately or used to make stock or gravy. Giblets are a common ingredient in many traditional dishes, including stuffing, gravy, and pâté. They are a good source of protein and nutrients, but may also contain high levels of cholesterol and fat. Proper preparation and cooking is important when using giblets to ensure food safety. Overall, giblets are a flavorful and nutritious addition to many culinary creations.